Today is January the 16th, and that is Dragon Appreciation Day. And I thought, what better day to talk about dragons than on Dragon Appreciation Day? First of all, please know that dragons do exist. They just simply exist in that same realm that our angels and also deceased loved ones and our spirit guides all exist in. It's not a physical realm, it's a realm that requires our intuition to really be able to tap into. So therefore, they do require us to use our intuition to try to purposely tap into them, or at the very least to be paying attention to what's going on around us when our intuitive channels are flowing and working for us. It is really important also to have an open mind, and especially to have an open heart. All intuitive things require us to have that open heart space. They're often around us like us in a spirit guide capacity, where they can help to guide us, to bring through messages, to protect us, to bring lots of protection. There's guardian dragons we can call in specifically for this, and also to help bring us healing as well. So it's a really profound time at present when dragon energy is really strong and they want to be known.